Let's learn how to fix Google Maps not showing directions or routes. So let us start by opening our settings. Here you need to go to apps. Now you need to find Google Maps and you need to click on location and set always and enable this precise location option. Now go back and try to set a route on your Google Map application. So click on route, select the location you want to go, and as you can see here, for me it's working. But if you don't see this, what you need to do is to go back to settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage. Here you need to find Google Apps again, and you just need to upload the application. So this will reinstall your Google Maps, and after it should work. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.